system online.
I redesigned my AI and now it looks insane.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Build montage incoming.
Initializing system. Power at 100. Frankenstein protocol activated.
We built it higher, wired with fire, code in the veins, we don't retire. We built it higher, wired with fire, code in the veins, we don't retire. Awaken the heart of the machine, a legend forged, a futuristic dream. System online. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Just look at this. This is Jarvis version 8. It's the same AI but completely redesigned. Smoother animations, better layout.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
A fully futuristic interface.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Now it actually feels real. This isn't just an assistant anymore.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
It feels like a system.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is version 8. Version 9 will go even further.